Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain made a bit of a move down yesterday, and however it has recovered a little bit since then. It came all the way down to nearly the 20-day moving average here, that blue line or teal line here. Didn't quite touch it, came all the way down yesterday to 14.8 cents. Since then, however, it has been moving up again. It was all bought up pretty quickly. That 15.5 cent support level here did hold, even though for a very short period we dropped below that. Good buying opportunity, a lot of people bought here. And yeah, then we found support here and now we're back above it again. Now, however, we dropped below the 17.3 cent level. That was an important level before, where we found resistance, found support all the way back here. We did break above that previously. Now we've dropped below it again. But very importantly for me, if I zoom out, we haven't broken back into that cup and handle pattern, which is great. Only very briefly here, but we are above it again. Would have been a bit, bad had we broken back into this cup and handle pattern, but we stay above it. So I think it is actually a needed correction, because now the market has cooled down a little bit. You know, the RSI has come down. We're going to take a look at that. Bear in mind, we talked about this golden cross down here of the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. That is good. That indicates further price increases. Never guaranteed, but it is a strong indicator. Also, we are still above this ascending trend line, adhere very well to it. That is good. And we're above the 20-day moving average. Everything's looking good so far. Corrections in a strong uptrend are good, healthy, and important, and they cool the market down. They give you a buying opportunity, and it's all good. It is all good. Let's take a look on the let's take a look on the daily chart at some of these indicators. There you can see why that correction, I mean, everything below 15-20% is actually not worth noting really in the crypto market. Actually, this volatility is what can give you the opportunity to make money, because if you have a very volatile crypto, you can buy low and sell high. If it's very volatile, that is sort of easier than if you have a very stable coin like cryptocurrency. But here you can see that while we are still in the buying range or in the bullish range of the RSI, we have now come down finally from the overbought range, because we were pretty much in the overbought range here. Now that drop yesterday helped us to come down a little bit. We still make higher lows here on the RSI, but yeah, it is not overbought anymore, which is good and healthy. The MACD as well, not a bearish cross, stays in the green range, but also has cooled down a little bit, which is not necessarily a bad thing. So it's just a breathing in, breathing out thing. You know, it needs to cool down sometimes a little bit. It went up really consistently over the last few weeks, VeChain, and really nice actually. It's very slow here, but it started to pick up in momentum. Now we had the first, we had for the last few days one of the first more notable corrections. But to be honest, from all the way up here from 19 cents where we already were down to here 14.8, that was actually 21%. However, it was bought up very quickly, and now we are only like from these 19 cents where we are now pretty much 14% away. So this is again not a problem, and I'm sure we'll get there. VeChain is, in my view, one of the still a very undervalued cryptocurrency. It suffered a little bit because of all this China FUD that happened early in the year, but it has so many good fundamentals really, and it's getting awards right, left, right, and center. Also, very importantly, very worth noting, which is again why the current drop could be a buying opportunity. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm also saying it could be, and you can come to your own conclusions. But here in the next few days, they will launch their mainnet 2.0 here. We are exciting to announce VeChain Thor 1.60 is live, meaning POA 2.0 phase 1 activation is set in motion. But what is POA 2.0 and why does it make VeChain the strongest public blockchain? So you can click on here, there you go, you can see it, November the 16th. And basically here you can see we are proud to say POA 2.0 is the first protocol of its kind. It combines the two main types of blockchain consensus mechanism. There you go, to eliminate their weaknesses but benefit from their strength. So it's really good. It is, again, I don't know if that could be a little bit buy the rumor, sell the news thing here, But the good thing is that that VeChain has not really gone up parabolic. So I think this is a healthy move up that we have had here over these few weeks. And the mainnet is a good, that mainnet 2.0 launch is a good fundamentals that support that. On top of everything else that VeChain is doing, which is just great. You know, they're very active, have the backing by China. So it's got some of these strongest fundamentals that I've seen in the crypto market. I'm really bullish on VeChain. Yeah, it's a great long-term investment, and it can go up pretty much to the all-time high anyway, I think, in this bull run, but yeah, probably even much higher. So yeah, I'm really bullish on VeChain, and it's looking good. Again, a correction like that or a pullback to a moving average can generally be regarded as a buying opportunity. So hope you liked the video about VeChain. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.